Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Carrera battery off your Carrera Vengeance Vulcan Crossfire. So they use this battery mount. There's a newer version now which is a lot harder to take the battery off, but if you've got this one, I'll show you how you can take the battery off if you've lost the keys, so you can replace the lock mechanism on there. Without removing the battery you can't get at those two screws there to replace it. So what I've got here is a axle blade, large axle blade, just filed down the blade edge there, just so that's smooth, and just bent over the end of it there, as you can see. And I've also just made it into a point. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you the bike in a minute which has lost its keys, but just so I can show you. So we put the axle blade in the side of the housing there, it slides up, and the reason I've bent it over is so it don't get caught in that slot there. It should miss that, slide up the side and then press the lock in so you can get the battery out. So let's go outside to the bike, which is, the customer's lost their keys, and I'll show you how, show you exactly how it works. So join me in a sec. Okay everyone, so this is the bike. I've just marked it there on the side where you need to put the axle blade in. I'll just show you around this side where the key would normally go. So with the metal bent over towards me, I'm just going to put that in there. Just wriggles in, and then you just being careful, just push it straight through. You should feel it. I think what that's done is got stuck on that piece, or has it? So the battery should come towards you when it is unlocked. It's difficult to do this. There we go, while holding the camera. So there we go. So that's got the battery out. So as you can see, there's no damage at all to the lock, no damage to the battery. So that's how you get it off. Now obviously this is a little bit of a tip to battery thieves. They're not cheap. Almost half the value of the bike is the battery, around £500. But the point I'm making is, don't leave the battery on the bike, whether you're going to go shopping for an hour or just popping in the shop. People usually, from what I hear from quite a few customers, is their battery was just hammered off, and that's why the new improved lock is a lot harder to get the battery off, where these, they can be whacked off quite easy. Well, this is like a good little tip just to get it off without causing any damage. I've seen quite a few batteries with loads of screwdriver marks on the edge there, where people have tried to put screwdrivers in, and also on the other side where the lock locks closer coming from this side, but the problem is with that, it's flat on this side, so it doesn't do anything. You've got to come from this side, so when you're forcing the file across, it's pushing that lock down. So yeah, you can use long blades and that kind of stuff to do it, but the blades can cut in to the plastic, whereas this doesn't. So you know, the best thing really would be to use, like I've got here, the hacksaw blade, and just bend the end over there. You can see how easy, you know, I got the battery off even while holding the camera. But yeah, don't leave your battery on the bike if it's unattended. It will get stolen. But yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Hope this can help someone, and thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.